Do you clean after open houses or before settlement too?
Yes, we offer touch-up cleaning after open homes, as well as final cleans before settlement or handover. Selling your home isn't a one-day event, and depending on how long your property campaign runs, you may need cleaning support at different stages. Our flexible options include post-inspection tidy-ups, a light refresh to restore order after high foot traffic, mid-campaign refreshes, ideal for long sales campaigns or if the property is still being lived in, pre-settlement or pre-handover cleans, a final deep clean once the property is sold and emptied. This is especially useful for sellers who have already moved out, investment properties where tenants are still occupying, display homes or style properties. Need a clean between open homes? Just let us know. We're happy to schedule multiple cleans across your campaign so your home always presents in top condition.